Avant train. Avant is a high-speed, medium-distance passenger transport rail service operated in Spain by the Spanish public company Renfe. Avant services circulate at a maximum speed of 250 kilometers per hour, 160 miles per hour, compared to the 300 kilometers per hour, 190 miles per hour maximum speed of the Avenue service. Their routes usually cover different provinces within the same autonomous community or between neighboring ones. Regional services at conventional speed are called Renfe Media Distancia. Avant services are carried out by Series 104, 114, and 121 train sets in a single-class configuration without a cafeteria, except in some Series 104 units. History. In October 1992, a new high-speed medium-distance service, AVE Media Distancia operating under the AVE Lanzadera brand, began between Madrid, Ciudad Real and Puertollano, using spare Class 100 trains. 7 in November 2003, a new service began between Seville and Córdoba, using new Class 104 trains. 5. Reducing journey times between the two cities to 40 minutes. In 2004, the brand was renamed Renfe Avant, and all services started to use Avant S104 trains, leaving Class 100 for Avenue services. The construction of a 21-kilometer, 13 miles, stretch of high-speed line from Madrid to Toledo allowed the inauguration of a medium-distance service in November 2005. The journey time between the two cities is now less than 30 minutes. 9. The high-speed link combined with high property prices in Madrid has encouraged many Madrid commuters to settle in Ciudad Real, the first stop on the Madrid-Seville line. There has, however, been controversy over the construction of this line, as the change to standard gauge track meant that towns such as Getafe, Aranjuez, and Algador, which now have no commercial services, lost their direct services to Toledo. Furthermore, since Toledo is now connected by standard gauge track, it is impossible for other passenger or goods trains to reach it that have not come from other high-speed lines. Further Avant services have been launched since then, with the expansion of the high-speed lines to Valladolid, Barcelona, Malaga, Valencia, Granada, Murcia, and Galicia. Services. Map showing Avant services in 2024. As of 2024, Renfe offers the following Avant services: Frowny Face 2, A Coruña, Santiago de Compostela, Orense, Barcelona minus Girona, Barcelona minus Girona minus Figueres, Barcelona, Tarragona, Lleida, Barcelona, Tortosa via Camp de Tarragona, Cambrils, L'Hospital de l'Enfant, La Metla de Mar, L'Empalaparello Deltabra, and L'Aldea Amposta. 12. Calatead, Zaragoza, Granada, Córdoba, Seville via Loya, and Tequera and Puente Genil Herrera, Madrid, Ciudad Real, Puertollano, Madrid, Segovia, Valladolid, Madrid, Toledo, Malaga, Córdoba, Seville via Antequera and Puente Genil Herrera, Malaga, Granada via Antequera and Loya, Murcia, Alicante via Benil, Orihuela, Colosa Cox and ELX, Orense, Santiago de Compostela, A Coruña, Toledo, Madrid, Albacete, via Cuenca, Valencia, Requena Utiel. Former services: Zaragoza, Huesca via Tardienta. 14-15. A Coruña, Vigo via Santiago de Compostela. Trains: Class 104 train, Class 114 train. Currently, there are the following series of high-speed trains that run the Avant service. Avant S104 manufactured by Alstom and CAF. Avant S114 manufactured by Alstom and CAF. Avant S121, manufactured by CAF and Alstom. Both Avant Class 104 and Class 114 trains are Pendolino designs, without tilting capacity. Avant Class 104 trains are based in ETR 480. Avant Class 114 trains are based in ETR 600.
21. Sorry. Thank you so much. Oh my God. You're busy. For business, huh? Are you teacher? You're a teacher? Oh, a teacher. Oh, what kind of a major? Major. Teacher mathematics, physics, or what kind of a major? Teacher the students?
Electric.
Huh?
Electric.
Oh, it's electric. Electric. Oh, this is very good stuff. Yeah. Very good. Electric. I'm teacher too.
Yes.
I used to be teacher. I'm retired. I'm teacher fashion. Do you know fashion? Clothing. Fashion. Yeah, I'm teacher, university teacher. But I'm retired. I stay here only 4 days. I stay here Madrid only 4 days. But I like this country. Everything cheap, you know. The food is so cheap, no tip. From New York City. From New York. Yeah, eat food. Today I eat food so very nice food. Only cost me $30. Very cheap. And no tip. I give the waiter $5. He is very happy. Oh my God. But in New York City, 20% paid a tip. Everything very expensive in the United States. Everything. The milk, 1 gallon $4. Oh my God. Eggs, a dozen, $4. Eggs. Do you know eggs? Chicken eggs. 12 eggs, a dozen, $4. Everything very expensive. But here, very cheap.
Prohibido cruzar las vías. Renfe les agradece que hayan elegido sus servicios y confía en poder atenderles de nuevo a bordo. Por favor, permanezcan en sus asientos hasta que el tren se pare por completo y no olviden sus objetos personales. Gracias por su colaboración.
Come back Madrid. Cost me 20 minutes, very fast. When I was in Segovia, it was dreadful. I worry about, but fortunately, just dreadful for a while. No turn into big ring, so it's good.